Assalamu alaikum. So in this session we are recording how to add an event. Either you can add an event through a text messages received on WhatsApp, or I'll send you the link of a website of a center and copy from there. So I'll go on each way how to add it. Okay, and let's start from the first step, which is going on a website of a center and look for an event and add an event. Now here we are in April, so that is the next event. Okay, let me close that tab up. If you click on this one, it will open up a flyer of this event. Okay, so what we need to do is to save a flyer of this page so that we can use this thing in our application. Okay, currently it does not allow us to save, and I'll see why it's not doing that. So there's two ways you can take a screenshot of this particular option. I'm using MacBook, and MacBook allow me to select just a part of a page, and I'll take a snapshot. So snapshot is done. Okay, now the second part is you have to go to the Marquez. Okay, let me start from the scratch. marquez.co.uk, enter, and that's our home page. But to add an event, you'll just type /login and you'll go to our login page. Okay, so let's add an event by logging into center. For the username and password, don't worry, I'll provide the username and a password. Okay, so all the information from the leaflet just copy over in here. It says 22nd April 4 p.m. So 22nd April 4 p.m. we have 24-hour clock, so this means 1600. And now what is this event? Event is the birth anniversary of Imam Sajjad, so you'll just copy this part and you'll type in event title and make sure the letter is always capital, birth anniversary of Imam al-Sajjad. Okay, so you copy this part, event title, and you put same here an event topic. As is a birth anniversary, so type of a majlis will be a Jashan. Of course, this is a Jashan event. A language is in English. From in here I can see that this is an English event, so most probably if it's not stated, then assume it's an English event, otherwise it will state an Urdu event. Okay, and the speaker of event is Barak Hussain, so that's what we're gonna be putting in here, Barak Hussain, and her name is somewhere here, Barak Hussain. Okay, Barak Hussain is there. Try to select only these three options. Contact detail is again Hussainiyat Al Rasul Azam, and make sure you do this as a 0. Okay, choose a speaker picture. So the best way is to do that. Copy the name, open a new tab, search on a Google. Okay, and go to the images and let's find her image, Barack Hussein. So Barack Hussein is this one. Let's go some decent image which we think is a decent image, and all of them are a decent image. I believe that's much better, so I'm gonna save this to my downloads, Barack Hussein, and in future if I need it, I know it's there. So I think I have it there. So Barack Hussein 2, save it. Go back to my tab. I click on choose file. I go to my downloads and Barack Hussein, Barack. Yeah, there she is. Open, all done. Okay, nothing else has to be done. Event has been added. You click save. Okay, now once the event details are being done, then we have to add a flyer or a leaflet relating to an event, and a leaflet is added through this section which we call speaker list. You click on this one and you have to say add a new speaker, and just ignore whatever says, just follow this one, flyer. Choose a file, and we have taken a screenshot, so my screenshot is saved on my desktop, and this is the screenshot I've taken. I click on open, add the event, and I believe there you go, back to the event, and there you go, the event has been created. Okay,